Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable smart wake in Vivo Y75 smartphone. Without further, let's get started. First of all, enter into the settings, then choose shortcuts and accessibility, then click smart motion, then click smart wake. Now you need to enable swipe up to unlock and swipe down to take photos. Now you're in the lock screen. If you draw like this, it will unlock the phone. If you draw top to bottom, it will open the camera and see. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.